Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. During this lockdown, we all are doing every chores of the house by ourselves, and kitchen plays very important part in that. But doing both house chores and office work sometimes becomes difficult to manage. During this pandemic, I have developed few habits to keep my kitchen clean and hygienic without getting a lot of stress about it. Just by following these 5 simple habits, I could manage and save a lot of time for myself. These habits are not unique and new, but yes, they are effective. So, let's see what are those habits. During this time, a lot of us tried their culinary skills, and important part in that is managing spices. Usually, every Indian house will have this kind of spice box. Inside may differ a bit. Using spice box more frequently results into a lot of spills in the spice box. If dry spices fall into the spice box, it is easy to clean, but when we talk about the powder spices, it's really difficult to get rid of it. So, to avoid this, put a kitchen napkin inside the spice box and then put your little spice container on them. This way, it's very easy to clean and the spice box will remain clean for long. Cleaning the home was used to be very big task for me because I did not used to clean it every day as there used to be less spillage. But then I realized that cleaning it after 2-3 days takes a longer time because stains get harder and it gets more. To ease my pain, I started cleaning the hob just after we finished the dinner. To clean the hob, I used 2 part water, 1 part liquid dishwashing soap, and 1 part disinfectant. I do not like the smell of this, so I use 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. This is just to make the kitchen smell good. I do not clean hob immediately as the surface is still hot, and if we spray any solution or water on it, the burner and its metal accessories do get dented. I do not clean the chimney every day because it gets cleaned every week. We all use different types of scrubbers and sponges to clean the utensils. Disinfecting these sponges and scrubbers is equally important as cleaning them. Due to minute food particles, they do start smelling bad and can become a reason for diseases. Put all the scrubbers and sponges in one bowl and pour a hot water plus lemon solution on them. You can also use baking soda or vinegar in this case. Let them soak for half an hour and clean it under running water. Always keep these sponges in an airy area so that they don't get humid and attract bacteria. We all must have faced a problem with one or other insect in our kitchen. To keep the cockroaches and other insects away, I am using this homemade solution. All I do is take 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, a pinch of baking soda, and mix it in 250 ml of water. Because I do not like the smell of vinegar, I also add few drops of essential oil. All you need to do is spray some solution on the countertop and corners and wipe it off. Do not forget to spray in and around the sink. That's the place where maximum bacteria are present. Vinegar is mild disinfectant and salt plus baking soda will help to keep bugs away. And essential oil will make our kitchen smell amazing. I have been using this for quite some time and seems to be very effective. Give it a try for a month. We all have those nice looking ladders, spoons, and chopping boards made up of wood. I used to clean these items only with the water or sometimes with the dishwashing liquid. But over the period, they do lose their shine and start smelling bad. So now what I do is I put all my wooden spatulas and board in solution of hot water and lemon. I soak it for 30 minutes or so and then just gently scrub it with a baking soda and wash it. All the germs and bacteria will get cleaned. If you get any sunlight in your house, then you must put them in sunlight for an hour. This will ensure that your wooden board and spatulas are dry and free of any germs. If you like, you can also rub some coconut oil on these items to make it shine again. So guys, this was all about my kitchen hygienic tips. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.